Hey guys, so in this video I want to show you what you can do with some of the data once you have Minitab desktop version open with a file. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. I already have some data in here. This is some data about vehicles, engine size, curb weight, horsepower, miles per gallon, and if the vehicle is two-wheel drive versus four-wheel drive. So in this video, I want to show you how to run some descriptive stats, meaning I want to get like the mean, the median, the quartiles, the interquartile range, standard deviation, stuff like that. So we just have to choose a column that we want to get this. Now, of course, you can get it on multiple variables, but in stat one, we're going to typically stick with the single variable. So maybe I want to run some data on column 5, the miles per gallon. So I'm going to show you how to do this. We will go up here to the menu and click on stat. Then the very first option, basic statistics. Then again, the very first option, display descriptive stats. So once I go in here, Minitab wants to know what variable am I interested in studying. So here I'm interested in miles per gallon. So I'm just going to double click, or you can just put your cursor in variables and then choose, you can, put your cursor there and then highlight and select, doesn't matter, either one works. Now, the by variables just means maybe you want to separate it out. So if I wanted to take miles per gallon and separate it out by maybe two-wheel drive versus four-wheel drive, I could use that two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive here. If that's something I wanted to do, I'm not going to do that right now. But I am going to choose the options here for statistics. Now, this is where I'm going to select what I would like to see and deselect what I don't. So right here, you'll notice the things that are selected, that is the default by Minitab. So maybe I just want to get the mean. I don't want the standard error right now. The standard deviation I'll get. Then I'm going to go down here, first quartile, the second quartile, the third quartile. Maybe I want the IQR. I don't want to calculate it myself. Maybe I want to see the mode, which one happens the most, things like that. So you can kind of play around with all these different options and choose what you would like. So I'm going to click OK twice now. And you can see here my output, it just carries over. And it's not just on a single line when I have too many options. If I didn't have as many, it would just be on a single line. So we could see that we have 13 data values. The standard deviation is 2.075. The minimum value is 18. The max is 25. Look at this, the mode is 22 miles per hour. So we could see a lot of different things there. I hope that's helpful.